Okay, left here. I think this actually might be it right here. This is a lot. I believe right here. There's the ocean. It's looking to the southwest. You can see the ocean over there. See a lot of new houses being built. And now this is looking to the north. Looking towards the Sierras in the northeast. There you have it.